Choosing the right window style is about more than appearance. It directly affects comfort, energy efficiency, natural light, and how you experience your home every day. With so many window options available, many homeowners feel unsure about which styles truly fit their space. That's where Verde Group makes the process easier, more informed, and tailored to each home's unique needs. Understanding how you use your space. Verde Group begins every window consultation by learning how homeowners use each room. A living room may benefit from expansive windows that maximize light and views, while a bedroom might prioritize ventilation and noise reduction. Kitchens, bathrooms, and home offices all have different functional requirements. By understanding lifestyle needs first, Verde Group ensures window recommendations support how homeowners actually live, not just how the home looks. Evaluating natural light and room layout. Natural light plays a major role in how a space feels. Verde Group evaluates window placement, room orientation, and existing light levels before recommending styles. For darker rooms, larger or more open window designs may be suggested. For spaces with abundant sunlight, styles that balance light and temperature control may be a better fit. This thoughtful approach helps homeowners achieve brighter, more comfortable spaces without sacrificing energy efficiency. Matching window styles to architecture. Every home has its own architectural character. Verde Group carefully considers the home's design, whether traditional, modern, or transitional, when recommending window styles. The goal is to enhance the home's appearance, not work against it. By aligning window choices with architectural features, Verde Group helps homeowners maintain a cohesive look that adds lasting visual appeal and value. Prioritizing energy efficiency and comfort. Choosing the right window style also affects energy performance. Verde Group explains how different window types seal, ventilate, and insulate, helping homeowners understand the impact on indoor comfort and utility costs. From fixed windows that maximize insulation to operable styles that improve airflow, Verde Group ensures homeowners select windows that support year-round comfort and efficiency. Offering clear guidance without pressure. One of the biggest advantages of working with Verde Group is clear, honest guidance. Homeowners receive straightforward explanations of each window option, including benefits, limitations, and long-term value. There's no pressure to choose a specific style, only recommendations based on what makes the most sense for the space. This transparent approach builds trust and helps homeowners feel confident in their decisions. Custom solutions for unique spaces. Not every room fits a standard solution. Verde Group excels at helping homeowners navigate unique layouts, challenging wall spaces, and special design goals. Whether combining window styles or customizing configurations, solutions are tailored to each home. This flexibility ensures every window enhances both form and function. Helping homeowners visualize the final result. Choosing windows can feel overwhelming without a clear picture of the outcome. Verde Group helps homeowners visualize how different window styles will look and perform once installed. This clarity reduces uncertainty and ensures expectations align with results. When homeowners understand what to expect, they're more satisfied with the final outcome. Long-term value. Through expert recommendations, the right window choice delivers benefits for years to come. Verde Group focuses on long-term performance, durability, and homeowner satisfaction, not short-term trends. By recommending window styles that fit the space and lifestyle, Verde Group helps homeowners make investments that truly pay off. A partner in confident window decisions. Choosing window styles doesn't have to be complicated. Verde Group simplifies the process by combining expert insight, personalized recommendations, and homeowner-focused guidance. The result is windows that look right, perform well, and enhance everyday living, making every decision feel like the right one.